Hola, amigos, welcome to a journey that will tantalize your taste buds and warm your heart. Today we embark on a culinary adventure to the heart of Spain, a land rich in history, culture, and of course, incredible food. Here, the aroma of saffron fills the air, and the sizzle of rice in a paella pan signals a celebration of life and community. We're diving into the world of Paella Valenciana, a dish that's more than just food, it's a symbol of tradition, family, and the Spanish spirit. It's a culinary masterpiece that has been passed down through generations. Imagine a symphony of flavors and textures, golden rice infused with the essence of smoky paprika, tender chicken and rabbit, vibrant green beans and the earthy sweetness of snails. Each bite tells a story. This is Paella Valenciana, a dish that tells the story of its land and people. It's a reflection of the hard work and love that goes into every ingredient. Originating in the sun-drenched fields of Valencia, paella takes its name from the wide, shallow pan it's cooked in. This unique pan is essential for creating the perfect texture and flavor. It's a dish that brings people together, a feast meant to be shared under the Spanish sun. Whether it's a family gathering or a festive celebration, paella is always at the heart of it. So loosen your belt, grab your apron, and let's embark on this delicious journey to create a taste of Spain in your own kitchen. Get ready to experience the magic of Paella Valenciana. Prepare to be captivated by the spirit of Paella Valenciana. It's more than just a meal, it's an experience that will leave you longing for more. Our culinary adventure begins in the fertile fields of Valencia, where the history of paella unfolds. Picture this, centuries ago, Moorish farmers, masters of irrigation, cultivated rice in the lush valleys of eastern Spain. Necessity, the mother of invention, led these resourceful farmers to create a dish using whatever ingredients were available. Rice, the staple crop, was combined with rabbit, snails, and vegetables for a hearty meal cooked over an open fire. Over time, paella evolved, reflecting the changing times and tastes. The discovery of the Americas brought new ingredients like tomatoes and beans, adding layers of flavor to the dish. But the soul of paella remained rooted in its humble beginnings, a celebration of fresh, local ingredients and the ingenuity of the Valencian people. It's a dish that whispers tales of ancient traditions, passed down through generations, a culinary legacy that continues to tantalize taste buds today. Now let's gather the essential ingredients that make Paella Valenciana so special. Each component plays a crucial role in creating the authentic taste and texture of this beloved Spanish dish. At the heart of this dish lies bamba rice, a short-grain variety unique to Spain. This rice is specifically cultivated for its ability to absorb flavors and liquids without becoming mushy. Bamba rice has an exceptional ability to absorb liquid, resulting in perfectly cooked, separate grains. This ensures that each bite is infused with the rich flavors of the broth and seasonings. Next, we have the holy trinity of paella seasonings, saffron, paprika, and rosemary. These spices are essential for achieving the authentic taste that Paella Valenciana is known for. Saffron, the red gold of Spain, lends its distinctive aroma and a beautiful golden hue to the rice. This precious spice is harvested by hand and adds a luxurious touch to the dish. Paprika, with its smoky depth, adds warmth, while rosemary provides a touch of earthy fragrance. Together, they create a complex and inviting flavor profile. For protein, we use a combination of chicken and rabbit, their flavors melding beautifully with the rice. This traditional mix of meats adds a hearty and satisfying element to the paella. Snails, a traditional delicacy, add a unique earthiness, but they can be omitted for those who prefer. Their inclusion is a nod to the rustic origins of the dish. Fresh vegetables like green beans, ferradura if you can find them, lima beans, known as garofo in Valencia, and tomatoes contribute vibrant color, texture, and a touch of sweetness. These vegetables not only enhance the visual appeal but also add layers of flavor. And finally, olive oil, the lifeblood of Spanish cuisine, serves as the base for our flavorful sofrito, the foundation upon which the magic of paella unfolds. This rich golden oil brings all the ingredients together, creating a harmonious and delicious dish. While traditional Paella Valenciana is undeniably delicious, we can make a few simple tweaks to lighten it up without compromising on flavor. For a healthier version, consider using boneless, skinless chicken thighs and lean rabbit meat. Reduce the amount of olive oil used in the sofrito, opting for a light sauté instead of a full fry. Increase the vegetable content by adding artichoke hearts, red bell peppers, or even a handful of fresh peas for added fiber and nutrients. And if you're watching your sodium intake, use low-sodium chicken broth or water and season the dish carefully with salt. Remember, a healthy paella is all about balance and enjoying the fresh, wholesome flavors of the Mediterranean. Section 5. The paella pan, a symbol of sharing and celebration. No paella is complete without its namesake, the iconic paella pan. More than just cookware, the paella pan, with its wide, shallow base and gently sloping sides, is designed to create the perfect canvas for this culinary masterpiece. The wide surface area allows for maximum evaporation, ensuring the rice cooks evenly and develops a slightly crusty bottom layer known as sauerkraut, a prized delicacy in paella. Traditionally made of polished carbon steel, paella pans develop a natural patina over time, enhancing the flavors of the dish with each use. But beyond its practicality, the paella pan holds a deeper significance. It's a symbol of gathering, a vessel that brings people together to share in the bounty of the land. Whether it's a family fiesta, a neighborhood gathering, or a celebration under the Spanish sun, the paella pan takes center stage, its presence a reminder of the joy of shared meals and cherished traditions. Section 6. Mastering the bomba, cooking perfect paella rice. The key to a truly exceptional paella Valenciana lies in mastering the art of cooking bomba rice. This unique rice variety is renowned for its ability to absorb flavors and liquids, making it the perfect choice for a rich and flavorful paella. Unlike other rice varieties, bomba rice absorbs liquid at an impressive rate, expanding to almost 3 times its original size. This characteristic allows it to soak up all the delicious flavors of the broth and other ingredients. To achieve perfectly cooked separate grains, we use the paella method, a technique that involves adding the rice to the pan and toasting it lightly in the flavorful sofrito. This step is essential for infusing the rice with the rich taste of the sofrito. This toasting process helps to seal in the individual grains, preventing them from sticking together. It also adds a subtle nutty flavor to the rice, enhancing the overall taste of the dish. Once the rice is toasted, the hot broth is added all at once, bringing the liquid to a boil. The broth should be rich and well seasoned, as it will be absorbed by the rice, imparting its flavors. We maintain a vigorous boil for the first few minutes, allowing the rice to absorb the liquid evenly. This initial high heat ensures that the rice cooks uniformly and starts to take on the flavors of the broth. Then the heat is reduced, and the paella simmers gently, undisturbed, until the rice is cooked through and the liquid is absorbed. This slow simmering process is key to achieving the perfect texture. This slow cooking process is crucial for developing the sauerkraut, the prized crispy bottom layer that adds a delightful texture and smoky flavor to the dish. The sauerkraut is a hallmark of a well-made paella and is highly sought after by paella enthusiasts. Section 7. Beyond the recipe, the art of sofrito and sauerkraut. While the ingredients and techniques are essential, the true magic of Paella Valenciana lies in the nuances, the subtle art that elevates this dish from delicious to extraordinary. At the heart of this magic lies the sofrito, the flavorful base that infuses the rice with depth and complexity. Made with slowly sautéed onions, tomatoes, garlic, and often a touch of pimenton, the sofrito is the soul of paella. As the vegetables soften and caramelize, they release their sweetness, creating a symphony of flavors that will dance on your palate. And then there's the sauerkraut, the elusive, coveted crispy bottom layer that separates a good paella from a truly unforgettable one. Achieving the perfect sauerkraut is a delicate dance of heat control and timing. It's about listening to the paella as it cooks, feeling the heat radiate from the pan, and knowing instinctively when to adjust the flame to coax that golden caramelized crust to form without burning. Section 8. A fiesta on your plate, serving and enjoying paella. As the aroma of saffron and smoky paprika fills your kitchen, you know it's almost time to feast. Once the rice is cooked, the paella is traditionally removed from the heat and allowed to rest for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauerkraut to further develop. Now it's time to present your culinary masterpiece. Bring the paella pan directly to the table, its vibrant colors and enticing aromas a feast for the senses. Provide each guest with a plate and a spoon, the traditional way to savor every morsel of paella. Encourage everyone to dig in and experience the symphony of flavors and textures, the tender chicken and rabbit, the perfectly cooked rice, the bright notes of vegetables, and of course, the coveted sauerkraut. Paella is best enjoyed al fresco under the warm Spanish sun, but no matter where you are, let the spirit of celebration and shared joy fill your table. Section 9. Buen provecho, your paella adventure awaits. And there you have it, amigos, a journey into the heart of Spanish cuisine and the secrets of making authentic paella Valenciana. But remember, a recipe is just a guide. The true magic happens when you bring your own passion and creativity to the kitchen. Don't be afraid to experiment, to add your own personal touch, and to embrace the spirit of adventure that paella embodies. Gather your loved ones, put on some Spanish music, and let the sizzle of the paella pan transport you to the sun-drenched fields of Valencia. And when your kitchen is filled with the irresistible aroma of saffron and paprika, remember to share your culinary triumph with the world. Tag your photos with #MadeInSpain and inspire others to embark on their own paella adventures. For more culinary adventures and a taste of Spain, subscribe to our channel and join our community of food lovers.